Hey, my name is Jennifer Wilson, and I am your guide at Simple Scrapper. In this video, I'm going to share exactly how our Creative Roadmap, our brand new signature tool, is going to help you make your hobby easier and more fun. Let's get started. If you've not yet downloaded the Creative Roadmap, the first thing I want you to do is press pause on this recording and hop over to simplescrapper.com/roadmap and enter your information to get the roadmap on its way to your inbox. By the time you're done watching this video, the roadmap will be waiting for you in your email. So you might be wondering, what is the roadmap? The Simple Scrapper Creative Roadmap is a customizable workbook that helps you find focus in your memory keeping and craft a life that supports taking time for your hobby. Instead of telling you what to do, the roadmap provides gentle guidance to help you decide what you want to do. Each of the 3 illustrated workbook pages contains optional waypoints with plenty of space for adding your own tasks and jotting down a few notes. We release a new roadmap every 3 months so that you can start fresh 4 times a year and align your creative priorities with each season of your life. Let's take a peek at 3 of the waypoints in our Spring 2018 edition of the Creative Roadmap. Waypoint number 1 is simple in appearance, but quite powerful in practice. Here you are asked to list 2 priorities for the season. One of the biggest ways we help you feel accomplished in scrapbooking is by narrowing your focus so that you can truly concentrate and make progress. We also want you to be able to follow your inspiration, which is why the roadmap encourages you to leave the 3rd space open for a new idea or opportunity. Waypoint number 5 is a fan favorite. It asks you to list what you will read this season in support of your craft. We encourage community members to take nonfiction personal development wisdom and apply it to scrapbooking for greater productivity and fulfillment in this hobby. The Simple Scrapper Book Club is a free group that gathers each month to find creative inspiration from these new ideas. Waypoint number 9 is the perfect place to turn when you need help getting started. Featuring 9 challenges in the realms of planning, organizing, and creating, you can use these boosts for renewed motivation in your memory keeping. Following along with simple prompts creates new momentum that will carry you into your own projects. The Simple Scrapper Creative Roadmap will help you find genuine focus, get motivated to create, and feel a part of our community. Get your roadmap at simplescrapper.com/roadmap.